Creating an organizational unit (OU) in Active Directory using the graphical interface is simple and provides a clear way to organize objects. First, sign in to a domain controller or a management workstation that has the remote server administration tools installed using an account with the necessary permissions, such as a domain admin or an account with delegated rights. Open the Active Directory Users and Computers console by clicking Start, going to Administrative Tools and selecting Active Directory Users and Computers, or by pressing Windows R, typing dsa.msc, and pressing Enter. Once the console opens, expand your domain name in the left navigation pane until you can see its containers and existing OUs. Decide where you want to create the new OU, which can be at the root of the domain or inside another OU to form a hierarchy. Right-click the location where the new OU should reside, point to New, and then select Organizational Unit. In the dialog box that appears, type a clear and descriptive name for the OU, such as Sales or Finance, to reflect the group of users, computers, or resources it will contain. If you want to prevent accidental deletion of the OU, check the option Protect Container from Accidental Deletion. Click OK to complete the creation. The new OU will immediately appear in the console tree under the location you selected. If you need a nested structure, you can repeat the same process inside the newly created OU to create sub-OUs. For example, inside the Sales OU, you could right-click and create additional OUs such as New York or Toronto to represent different offices. Once the OU exists, you can right-click it to create or move users, computers, and groups into it, or to delegate administrative control by selecting Delegate Control and assigning specific tasks to selected users or groups. This method allows you to visually manage your Active Directory hierarchy and makes it easier to apply group policy objects to specific sets of users or computers within the OU.